What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now I just started noticing that the sticker is peeling off, and I know the stickers on the Volk wheels are pretty expensive. They're like $60 or $65. I messed this one up and they're starting to come off. I've had these wheels for, I want to say 3 years, so I've had them for a while. The stickers have been holding up pretty good, but I think it's time to replace them, and I'll probably be putting on a different sticker, not the same one, so it'll give the wheel a different look, and hopefully it comes out good. First I gotta clean the wheels, so I'm gonna move the car and then pop off each wheel one by one, clean it up really good, make sure that the spoke that I'm gonna put on the sticker is nice and clean, and hopefully it sticks. Here's a little cold start for you guys. Still looking fresh, guys. If you guys didn't see that video of when I painted the brake calipers, check it out. It's pretty easy. Still looking fresh. Alright, so here are the two wheels, and I think I'm going to start by just removing the stickers and then just clean them up really good. Show you the new stickers. Whoa, that was way too easy. Look at that. I can't believe these stickers held on for such a long time, and they're coming off really easy. I don't know if this clay bar is going to do anything, but I'm still giving the rims a quick little go with it. Hopefully it does something. So I just finished cleaning up the wheels, and here are the stickers. Check them out. So let's start with the first wheel. I'm going to be putting the sticker on the right. So wherever the valve stem is, I'm going to be putting the sticker to the right, so it would go on something like that. And then there's another little sticker that goes over here, but that's what it's going to look like. And let's start. Let's see if I don't fuck this shit up. They look alright. Trying to peel off the little plastic on top. There it is. I know I'm gonna mess up on one of these stickers. Shit. Oh yeah. Alright, well, it wasn't so hard to put on the sticker. Now let's do it on the other wheel and put them back on the car. And then I gotta move the car, put it in the other way and take off the other wheels. And then complete. Now I'm gonna do the other side, but got the car. It looks so much better. This is what I was missing. I really didn't like the stickers that these Volks came with, but now I have them. So, quick little update on the carbon fiber trunk. It's looking fresh. Yeah. Okay, so the wheels are over here. These are the other two. I already took off the stickers, cleaned them up. Well, I just cleaned up the spokes where I'm gonna put the stickers. I didn't clean the whole thing. And the car should be looking a lot better. Alright, time to put them on the car. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. It's just something short. I wasn't going to make a video out of this, but I was like, what the hell, I'll just film it. Have you guys watch how I put on the sticker on the wheel. It came out pretty nice. Exactly what I wanted. So, see you guys next time.